Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. My name is JC Schwaback. Today we're going to look at a 2018 Rinker Q7. We just took this boat on our trade, went through it. It's in really good condition. I'm going to come on board and show you some cool features of the boat. Really great swim platform here. Nice walk-through transom gate. As you transition forward, it's probably appropriate on a hot day. We go ahead and make us some drinks on this built-in blender. Grind it up and we're ready to go. Transition a little further forward. Great head with vacuum flush toilet on the port side. Look at the helm. You've got a Simrad screen followed by a compass, wide range of electrical features, stereo system, all very nice. As we transition forward, great lounge area, speakers, cup holders, everything you're looking for in a small runabout. Come by MarineMax Fort Myers and check out this 2018 Rinker Q7. My name is JC Schwaback. My number is 239-222-5908. Hope you have a great boating day.